Alright guys, so this is the old leaf spring here, and it's pretty damaged. The bolt broke off of down here, and it's basically pretty junk. I did went ahead and order myself all new 4 leaf springs. I'm not going to just change one, I'm going to just change all of them. I also picked up a bunch of new U-bolts and plates. I might not be using the brackets because I'll probably end up using the ones that are already on there because they're not damaged at all. Some extra bolts, my little wing here between the 2 leaf springs. I also went ahead and picked up a new breakaway system. Now there was nothing wrong with the original one that was here. It's just old, and I just want to put something new. It's hanging off by one screw. You can see here it's a little bit old school. I just want to put something new, something a little bit better. The wiring isn't that great here. I'm going to try and redo all that stuff. I also got a new pintle hook ring right here. It's going to replace this one. This one's pretty worn out underneath, as you could see. So, you know, I want to make this safe as possible. And I got to bend this back. I want to take all the steel plates off and put wood paneling. What it looked like was originally this actually had a wood deck, and they removed it. And what they did was they welded these tubings inside to level it with the top here, and they put steel diamond plate over the top. But as you can see, because it's all bent up here, I want to get rid of it. I want to put a wood decking in there. I was able to grind this one plate off, and I ended up picking up a plasma torch right here. This is, let's see, a thermodynamics dragon gun. So hopefully it does the job, or at least just help me do it a little bit more proficient here. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure that this trailer is fully safe on stands, jack it up, and see how a couple of things work. So just stand by and stay tuned. Alright guys, so I got the new leaf springs on, and I'm just trying to get All right, guys, welcome back to another episode. So what we ended up doing here, we ended up straightening out the frame. Came out perfect. Everything's lined up. I'm starting to grind down the frame a little bit, smooth everything out. That's what all this gray primer is. I didn't want any rust to build up, so in certain areas I grinded down. I just primed up. I also cleaned up the whole tongue up here. I tried some paint that I'm going to paint the whole trailer with. And that paint is an oil-based black gloss paint. And I'm telling you, it is smooth. It's solid. It feels pretty good. I started pulling out the wiring. I'm going to add new lights. I did went ahead and put in a new axle. I don't have any videos of that. My apologies. I had issues with my camera. That's what happens when you leave it outside in the rain. So new axle. I ended up getting a new tire. Everything runs smooth. The axle is about a ½ inch wider than the original one. Not going to cause any issues. So basically all I'm going to do now is just grind anything that's sticking out down. Just touch it up, hit it with a power washer, and then paint it, and then put new lights. I'm going to put new LED lights in here, new wiring, new everything. I painted this right back here a little bit. Probably needs another coat, but oh my God, it feels pretty good right here, nice and smooth like it's brand new out of the factory. I did it right over here as well. And it's nice and smooth. Maybe another coat, it'd be great right here too. Woo, look at that. All right, and that's about it. So that's where we're at on this project right now. If you have any ideas, again, leave me any comments. I still need to clean all this stuff up like you see right here. Once all that stuff gets cleaned up, I'm going to touch it up, paint it, prime it, paint it, and that's it. And then put a floor down. I did get this, for some reason, I don't know what the hell happened, but I ended up getting a shorter board. I needed 20 feet. This thing's probably 16, 17 feet long. And that's it. Pretty much it's looking good. Progress is moving. And make sure you like and subscribe. And the next episode should be painting the trailer. And possibly the lights, but definitely the paint on the trailer. All right, let me know what you think. Blue Line Garage, that's how we do.